Hey guys, welcome to the Pecan Grove kitchen. I'm Wanda and today we're going to be making chicken nuggets. You heard me right, I'm going to be feeding Danny chicken nuggets. Now it's not going to be your McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, even Chick-fil-A or Popeyes. I'm going to be making them from the meat that we raised from our chickens. So we process the meat birds and I'm always looking for new recipes. Now at any time you can stop the video and look at the ingredients from McDonald's or Popeyes, even Chick-fil-A. See if those are ingredients that you would want in your food. We're not going to be buying our chicken nuggets, we're going to be making them. Lots of the foods that you can buy at restaurants can be made at home with minimum amount of effort. These don't take any time to make, only a few ingredients and you're good to go. The ingredients in most of these restaurant, or even if you buy them at stores, the little chicken nugget thingies in bags, big bags, they have 100% meat. They'll say 100% chicken meat, but then when you look at the actual ingredient list or something, one of them says that it's only like 40 or 45% meat, that it's all other ingredients. And so then when you look at the other ingredients, you're like, okay, so how much percentage of each one of those is in here if there's only 45% meat? And then you don't know the processor or where the meat was grown or anything else. You have no clue. So even if you have to buy canned meat like the chicken, you can make these at home. I took 2 chicken breasts, put them in water and boiled them until they were tender. I used both of those and that equaled my 2 cups. If you're doing a whole chicken, you can boil the whole chicken and then you use the chicken breast or all the white meat. You can use the other meat. Now lots of your restaurants will use other than chicken breast, but some of them specify chicken breast in their ingredient list. One of the things that makes add so many additives like to your chicken nuggets would be the breading. Now I did not bread mine, but if you want to bread your chicken nuggets, you can. You can use an egg wash and dip them in egg wash and then dip them in a breading made of cornmeal or flour or whatever kind of breading you like on your chicken. I did not do that. I just made the nuggets and browned them in the oven. I didn't fry them. Another thing that adds additives is the frying. What kind of oils did they fry in? So I did not fry mine. I oiled my pan and I flipped them halfway through. So that takes out that kind of ingredients or additives that you have in chicken nuggets. I made just regular chicken nuggets, about yay big, but you can make them bigger and make them into a patty for adults, and it's like having a chicken sandwich. I took an English muffin from Azure Standard, sliced it open, buttered it, grilled it, toasted a little bit, and then I put some of the Azure Standard queso pepper jack cheese dip on it, and then a couple of the chicken nuggets. I didn't make the big one, so I had to do 2 small ones. That was the best chicken sandwich ever. So another way you can use the chicken nuggets is to make chicken sandwiches. You can also use other meats to make these nuggets, like fish or turkey. I guess you could use beef or pork or, lamb or whatever, but to me beef would just be a hamburger, but it's doable. I think the chicken and the fish and the turkey probably would be your best bets to make chicken nuggets, but anything's possible when you're in the cook of the kitchen. You can also make these up with a lot more breast. If you have a lot of meat and you want to make a bunch of these, you can make them up and cook them and then freeze them and just take them out and heat them up as needed. A quick way to have your children a quick snack if you wanted to, or if you make the chicken sandwiches, the big ones, you can have those. Make up a bunch, cook them, freeze them, and hey, you got chicken sandwiches. Now, let's get into making chicken nuggets at home. Today we have 2 cups of a chicken breast. Actually, it was 2 chicken breasts equals 2 cups. That's about what we have. 1 cup of cheese, shredded, and an egg. So, and salt and pepper and whatever else you want to flavor them with. I've got the food processor out. We're going to mix all this together, make nuggets, and bake them. Okay, first off, we're going to put in the chicken. And I've already salted and peppered this so that we have our seasoning in there. We're going to pulse the chicken just a little bit to chop. Okay, that looks pretty good. And remember, I've already added the salt and pepper. We're going to set that out of the way. Part of this did not get pulsed yet. Let's do it one more time. Top part doesn't always get. Okay, all done. All right, we're going to be adding the cheese on top and the egg. Now you can add whatever flavors you want. If you want them spicy, if you want to add some onion, whatever you want to add at this point, you could do that. But we're just going to pulse till this mixes really good. And we're going to scrape down the sides. It looks like it's all mixed up. Okay, your mixture should look something like that. You might want to preheat your oven to 400. Now if you want just regular, smaller chicken nuggets, about a tablespoon, make them into the size or shape you want. I'm just going to make them sort of kind of like chicken nuggets would be. And you're just going to form them. Great for dipping. Okay, 2 chicken breasts made about 17 nuggets. I'm going to put them in the oven at 400 for 12 to 15 minutes. And about halfway through, I may flip them over so that both sides get brown really well. Halfway through, I flipped them. I went about 8 minutes. We're going to put them back in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. This is what my chicken nuggets look like. Now you can go browner if you want them brown, but I did not want them like total crispy. I wanted them to be kind of able to bite them, so it was about 20 minutes all together.
So this is your homemade cranberry sauce? Oh, it's
Yes.
still warm. I feel the jar.
I got some going in the canner. We're canning 11 jars. Obviously he likes it. He ain't stopped eating.
I love cranberry sauce.
Now is it too sweet? Not sweet enough?
It's actually really good.
You don't like it real sweet, so...
No, I don't like it. It's got a little bit of a tang to it. That's what I like. It tastes like cranberries. I mean...
Yeah, more than sugar.
Yeah, I don't like this jelly stuff you get in these cans in the store. You go to take it out and it looks like a big old clump of jelly, you know?
So this has still got the cranberries. I put
Yeah.
a little bit of apple juice and a little bit of orange juice in it. And then I put brown sugar and white sugar. And my cranberries.
Oh, it tastes good. I mean, it tastes really good. Now, these are
Chicken nuggets.
chicken nuggets, okay?
We've had these a couple of times and Danny kind of really liked them, so. Better than McDonald's?
Yeah. Oh, boy, yeah.
Anything's better than McDonald's.
anybody eats at McDonald's is pretty bad off. Man, that's who would have ever thought homemade chicken nugget.
You didn't think you'd be eating chicken nuggets when I'd mentioned them, did you?
No, I haven't eaten chicken nugget in I don't even know how many years.
20 years or more.
Probably 20 years, yeah. But now this, I could sit and make myself sick eating that. I mean, that is good. Now, I know a lot of people probably use ketchup and all that with it, and I do have some ketchup I could use, but
But you kind of like your cranberry too, don't you?
I do. I wonder how cranberry would be on that. You know, cranberry goes with pork real well.
And it goes with turkey.
Mm-hmm.
Why not chicken nuggets?
They ain't bad. They ain't bad at all. Matter of fact, it's pretty doggone good.
And he's got chicken and rice and cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Oh, I love my cauliflower now.
So you give my chicken nuggets a thumbs up?
Oh, yeah. I think everybody ought to eat them. As a matter of fact, I actually prefer that over just eating plain chicken, you know. I mean,
Chicken breast, because you don't like chicken
I don't like
breast.
chicken breast because it's so dry. This would be an ideal way to use chicken breast, you know, to put it in there and grind it up.
Since we have how many? We got 24 big chickens and lots of breast meat.
We actually got 48
Breast.
half chicken breasts.
Yeah.
You know, that's probably a couple of pounds a half. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that'd be a good way to use them. Yeah.
Guys, chicken nuggets are easy to make. It doesn't take a whole lot of time, and you can get the kids involved. Let them help make their own chicken nuggets, and you can even do the little cookie cutters and make them in different shapes. Kids would love it. Try making your own chicken nuggets today. Thank you guys from Pecan Grove.